Do you want to introduce yourself and let me know, tell me who you are and where you are coming from your in your career?
Okay. My name is Emeka Chukura, and I've been in the funny enough, I've been in the regulatory space for a long time, as in since
Okay.
2003.
Okay.
But I've been doing different roles. I started off as a regulatory officer in the National Regulatory Authority in Nigeria, NAFDAC, as an inspector, quality auditor. And from there, I transitioned into regulatory affairs in the industry. First of all, with cosmetics products, I did food products, then medical devices and drugs. So I have a wide experience in the regulatory sector. The first thing that shifted was the confidence.
Okay.
Yeah, because like I said before, this is not the first time I'm hearing about regulatory writing, but I've been trying on my own. I've been seeing things people talking about. I've seen books, I've seen blogs, writing, online trainings. But after going through the program or the curriculum, I didn't see that click that this is what that this will give me what I needed. So after the pre-video that I
Yeah.
listened, and after your delivery, no, I knew that before you finished, I already signed on because I knew something means no, Emeka, this is what you're looking for.
So if someone listening right now is in the same position right now that you were in before you joined, what would you say to them?
They shouldn't think it twice. They should just sign on because it's one thing I've seen. It's one thing about regulatory writing is it's in the practice.
Yes.
Yeah. Some of them, some senior colleagues that have been reading their posts, they said, don't look for that perfect CV, rather be active.
Mhm.
And for me, that is just the thing because the more writing, because it's writing, the more you write, the more you get, the more experience and the more you sharpen your skills and things. So they shouldn't think, don't think it twice. Don't sleep on it like the slang, like Gen Zs will say, don't sleep on this. Hit on and sign on, and because you will never regret it.